When we log into the course using our computer, not a phone, but the computer, go to the modules and we see the Start Here module. You want to spend some time looking at each of the pages in the module. Some of them are very short and they explain some of the basic foundations for the course. One of which is the Welcome to OWL tab. Let's click on this together. Now we see this consists of 3 different sections. An explanation of what OWL is, tutorial that explains OWL, and the template for the final OWL journal submission. So when we click on this first tab, we see that the online writing lab consists of 2 things. First, some assignments that are peppered throughout the course that are designed to give you some extra opportunities to learn more about literature, more about your own process, and so forth. There's also, at the end of the semester, the OWL journal. Throughout the semester, you're going to write in your journal, practicing writing, practicing vocabulary, practicing all of the things that you determine you would like to work on. How do you know which things to work on in your journal? Well, you would want to reflect on your skills, go to the syllabus and look at the prerequisite skills for the course, and take a look at any of those that need work. And in your private time, you will research that by going to Google or going to the librarians and finding out more information about that. Let's look at an example of that so that I can make that clear. I've come over here to syllabus and I'm going to open the syllabus. I'm going to look at prerequisite skills. This is the list of skills that students are required to have demonstrated prior to taking this course. As you look down the list, do you see any things on this list that you might be a little bit in need of a refresher? Then you want to make a note of those, and you'll study those in your own time. And again, this is an honor system, but you would want to look over this and study that. As you use your time, and again, that is time that's required by the district, not by me, but by the district. And when you use that outside time, like homework time, to study any of that information, you would simply note it on the chart. At the end of the semester, you will submit that chart that shows how much time you spent studying whatever it was that you studied. And you will find the template for that simple journal entry here. You see, it's very simple little thing. If on February 17th, I went to Google and studied one of those skills, I would put down that information and how much time I spent. Secondly, the OWL journal consists of short assignments. Those are shown throughout the course with the due date. And this, at the end of the semester, is your journal. When you click on one of those assignments, looking for the magic word Submit Here, when you open that, you will find an overview of what that OWL exercise is and instructions. Those are all short assignments. I hope this helps. If there's anything that's still confusing, feel free to reach out to me and let me know how I can help.